My name is Brian Powell. Tonight I've been helping 512 load up the macaroni and cheese bins. They deliver this macaroni and cheese to underprivileged children, and it makes my life feel a whole lot better. Specifically, I think about the kids who go home without food, and it breaks my heart a little bit to think about hungry children. And knowing that we can come here, put in a little simple service for an hour, hour and a half, make a difference in many people's lives, really brings me a lot of fulfillment.